Okay, today I have perhaps bag number one, which is called the counting. So counting like I have the ladybug chips here. So we just be in two pieces. So we have to count, and then we have a plastic cups. It would be a designated numbers that we have here, like number 4. This is number 10, 7, 3, and this is number 1. So all we have to do is to have pick all this lily bag on the plastic cup. So you have to call 2 children to represent in the class, and they'll find out like to make this activity in the table. So number of cups, so we have here 1, 2, 3. Let's say we have number 4 in here, number 5, then 6, 7, so on. So let's say we have to pick one children, okay, in the class, and then you can have just get one in here to count what is the designated numbers on the plastic cup. So 1, then you can put like 2 lady bags, then you can have just 1, 2, pick again here, have 3 bags, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and so on. So this is number 1. Inside, check or side 1 with the bag, and then 2 lady bags, 3 lady bags, 4 lady bags, 5 lady bags, 6 lady bags, 7, and so. Hi everyone, I present to you this activity for the children about measurement. So I have here the 4 glasses. Let's say like this 4 glasses is having a number. This is number 1. They say they can have just put 1 scope using this spoon, and they can have to scope this with the water. I'll show you later. So this is the water that I have there on the bowl, and you can have this scope the water there and put here 1 scope. The other one is the second glasses have 2 scopes of water, and then the third scope, the third glass with the third scope, 3 scopes of water, and then they have just explore how this quantity it works, and this is assigned to them today about this activity is to scope the water, and then example there like they can have just a scope, and then let's see 1 scope in this bottle, you can have just 1 scope, yeah, here. The second one will be a scope, 1, 2. Okay, you can see the water inside, but yeah, you can just with the color water, right, or food coloring. Then next bag is the third 3 scopes, 3. Okay, the other one is the 4 scopes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they'll find out like which scope is more higher. This is a 4 scope, 3 scope, that 1 scope, and the 2 scope of water. Okay, so you can assign this activity to 2 children, so they will find out like which scope is more quantity. Let's say like this is the 1 scope. See, this is the 2 scopes, 3 scopes, and the 4 scope. So now you will be assigned to them, and they will answer about what they observe on the observation, and yeah, they will look at these glasses of water. You can find it there, and they will tell you like which glass are more water. So scope 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the measuring of liquid like water for this activity for today. Okay, so hope that the children will learn how to identify the measurement in the liquid substance. Thank you. The next activity is sorting. Okay, so next activity is sorting. So we can have to sort by its color. So we have to provide some of its different color of plates. So we have the color green, blue, and red. So at the same time, we have also to use the tongue, and this tongue is can you use to pick some of these insects inside the plastic container, so it will be represented as its color of the plate. So you have to sort by its color. Okay, so all you have to do is to pick some colors of this insect to put the green into the green. All to sort out all the colors. Pick green, blue, red, red, green. Sorry, it's blue, green, green. Okay, it can be, you know, yeah. Okay, that's all. You can have it like all to sort all the colors of this insect into the color of the plate. So red insects with a red plate to sort out, and then green plate with the green color of the insects, different insects. So oh, this is blue, so blue, all the blue is here. Okay, okay, so that's it, all about this activity and of this activity is, yeah, you can have it, everything in here, the blue insects and different insects, you can see. So the green insects, different green insects, you can see it, and then the green, and then the red insects, different insects. So sorting out means by its color. So sorting out every insects by its color, and we're gonna put this all over this activity using these tongs. So you can just take a representative from your, you know, from your for the children, so they will not be, you know, like pushing around someone. So they can have just get only at least 2 representative from the children. Okay, so today I present to you the props bag number 4. So all we have to do is to have to call 2 children to represent a class, and then I just you can have just one-on-one. They can have, you know, participate on this activity. So activity is called the matching activity. So I can show you how it works. So in this activity, they will have to match the picture and its color. So they have the purple, we have the yellow, and then we have here the green, and we have here the yellow. Okay, so it is illustrated on what's on the picture, and they will match on it by the animal of its color. So we have a lot of colors here as well, like we have a pair of animals, different kinds of animals. So all you have to do is you have to pick of this animal from here, and then you have to match what they can see on the illustration. Let's say green color, yellow color, green color, yellow color. So it should be based on the picture, like a dinosaur, and also in here like a dinosaur. So the question mark would be what to be the next one. So here, what to be the question next one, the question mark would be, let's say purple color, let's be yellow, purple, yellow, and then next would be the purple. It would be yellow dinosaur, purple dinosaur, yellow dinosaur, purple dinosaur. And then the question mark here, what it is, the next one is purple dinosaur. Okay, here also like green dinosaur, yellow dinosaur in the picture. Then yeah, so this one is different one, so you can find a look, this different one, so you have to match, right? So this is not the one, so here is the match, the real match of its picture. So you have to match here, yellow, and what to be the next one is also for this one you have to select here, you can find it here. Yes, 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 and here also, yeah, dinosaur. Okay, so you can have just like find out how the match the color and its picture illustrated on this board. So that's it. All I can say is how the picture illustrated is a matching activity. Thank you. Okay, the next activity is number recognition. Okay, today we have another activity. We have the wraps bag activity number 5. So we have here a number recognition. What do you call a number recognition? So it means like you have to recognize a number. Let's say like the age 3 to 5-year old, you be recognize a number 1 to 10. Let's say like that. So I have an activity here which is shown the number recognition. This is the number recognition. Let's say like we can have to start here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So in this number recognition, okay, so we can have just like to recognize a number. Let's say 1, you can have just put here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, so you can also like an illustration here, like on the top, if we have a block, blocks represented by what number you can see, or how many number, let's say like 1. Okay, so you can find only 1, and then we have the 2 birds in here. So recognize how many number 3. So how many represented as number 3? So let's say like 1, 2, 3, and then this is number 4. Okay, you can see a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 6. Okay, ito recognize. Okay, number 6, number 7, number 8. Okay, so number 9. And then number 10. Okay, what's in here is a number, and what's in here is the illustration, how many represent us by numbers on this picture. Okay, so you can have see the number and to recognize how many fruits. Let's see here, like 10. So you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fruits. So this is number 10 to recognize as 10 by these illustrations above. Okay, thank you.